you very much. It certainly is my pleasure to be here and to particularly pay tribute to Al Vera, who has been a great council person, who's been a great mayor. A few minutes ago, someone came up and reminded me that my dad worked in Culver City for 28 years at MGM, so I kind of feel like I'm an adopted child of Culver City. A few weeks ago, Culver City had to spend some $200,000 to remove toxic soil from the new bus terminal, the new bus maintenance yard that is under construction. I want to say that the Board of Supervisors in Los Angeles County tries to be of assistance to Culver City whenever we can. And tonight I want to announce that the county will help to offset the cost by $50,000 from our local Prop A funds. You know, I thought maybe Al Vera would like that a lot better than this proclamation. But I want to call Al up here to say to him, we appreciate so much his contribution, and he has been a commissioner for the County of Los Angeles. He helped to develop a procurement plan where small cities could come together with the county and we could purchase together so that we cut down on some of the costs of purchasing of supplies by cities by joining with the county where we could make large purchases together. And as a result of that, not only is the county able to work with its cities closer, but also those cities are able to save some money. And that's the kind of thing that he has been known for, not only in Culver City, but throughout the County of Los Angeles. And in recognition of his dedicated service and all the work that he has done, we won't even get into all the work he's done on utilities and all of those things, but the contributions that he has made, I'm very pleased to commend him on behalf of the County of Los Angeles to Mayor Al Vera.
It's actually from the staff because we actually, in spite of all that, we actually do enjoy immensely working with the mayor, and I think that together we've had some successes, and I expect to have a number of more successes in the future. I'm not going to read this really long thing, but suffice it to say that it says that you are inordinately wonderful. When we present this from the Assembly of the State of California, a resolution to the Mayor of Culver City.
It is my pleasure to present this award to Mayor Al Vera. Over the years, Mayor Vera has been an avid supporter of quality health care in Culver City. He has been working both as a spokesperson and behind the scenes to maintain Robin Medical Center as our community hospital. Mayor Vera is a long-standing pillar in our community, and he continues to take our city to new levels. Because of Albert, Culver City has increased its positive image and influence in the greater Los Angeles area. Albert, we would like to recognize you tonight for tremendous community leadership. I'd also like to thank you and your wife, Ursula, for your outstanding support and participation in tonight's event. Please, everybody, congratulate with me Mayor Albert Vera, and he is going to receive from the American Heart Association this decanter that he cannot hang on his wall with all those millions of other things. It says, in recognition of Mayor Albert Vera for outstanding community leadership and service, American Heart Association, Culver City Division, February 28, 1998. Let's give him a round of applause.
As the mayor of the city, I'm very proud to be here tonight. I want to thank all the council members of the city that have done a great job, and I'm very honored and pleased that I serve with them. And we do have a great city in Culver City, because what you hear is a great city. I want to thank you. I want to thank Jody for being my really mentor. She looks at me that time, said over the dais, and I'm just sitting there, I'm ready to, by my eyes, she knows I'm ready to dive in, and she does like this. That's all she does. Thank you, Jody. Now that I'm through with the city business, now I'm going to be Albert Vera. see, I've been the person that nobody can intimidate me. With a coat on me, I'm intimidated. Now I'm not. Now it's me. Anyway, starting from my knees and everybody else, we got a little problem afterwards that we have discussed, you know. First of all, the coffee leftovers, because of the war, our home was destroyed, and God knows where my sister got the coffee grounds. The Italians believe it, but all the other things, I cannot pick on none of you. The only thing I have to say that I am proud to be in America. I was 15 when I came over. I've been in Culver City for almost 48 years now. And I'm proud to be an American, especially Culver City, because it's a city that has distinguished itself from the 88 cities in the county, that has made progress, that has got great honor, that has done everything in the world that you can think of. And thank God that we have succeeded. One thing that I want to recognize, because without her support, the city would not be the same today. Whenever we had problems in Culver City, whether it was the earthquake, or we were enlarging downtown Culver City, I will call Herb Wesson or Mike Walkie. If I call Mike Walkie, you will say, why did you talk to Herb? Because after all, he's my boss. I want to thank you very much. It was a great honor. I'm very honored tonight. And believe me, there's plenty of people like me in Culver City in the world. But I have been the fortunate one to be here tonight. And on behalf of all of those people, I want to thank you. And now I'm recognizing some special people tonight that have done this great job. Would you please all stand up? All please stand up. I want to thank all of you.